Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Dama here. Today's the last day of December. Today's the last day of December 2020. Goodbye to the month of coronavirus. Anyways, since today's the last day, I've decided to take you guys along with me and what I'm gonna do today. And anyways, it's just all gonna be fireworks. So yep. I'm grateful for 2020, and I don't know what I'm grateful for 2020, but yeah, I'm just gonna say I'm grateful for 2020. Thank you for making me. I don't know. I just don't know. Anyways, yes, looking forward for 2021. Please don't be the same as 2020. Please, 2021, be good to me. Be good to everyone. And I will leave 2020 with one message. Manifestation. If you believe in that, if you believe, plant your seeds. Plant your seeds. It is never too late. It's never really too late. Manifestation really, it is really powerful. Meaning that if you have a dream, if you have an idea, and you think of it coming to life, just stand on what you believe in. Stand on your dreams. Whatever it is that you imagine. Anyways, imagination is the key to all. So if you're imagining it and you know that it will come to you, that is manifestation. So I really believe in manifestation, and plant your seeds right now so that 2021 can be for you. It is for me. I believe so. And so thank you 2020 for teaching me a lot. And I am looking forward for a fruitful 2021. Many doors to open. You just have to believe in it. Believe in your dreams. Believe in what you're manifesting in. So that's the only message I can leave. And yes, thank you. Yes, ma'am. The whole thing. Gigi, stay away. The Moonlight Long 2020. This is my last meal for 2020.